What is up, guys? So it's over here, and back with episode 4 of Stranded Deep. Yeah, so yesterday, wait no, 2 days ago, the recording messed up, having me to do a voiceover of me just collecting the wood, and I said that we're just gonna adventure over like to the island. So what I'm gonna do pretty much is first scour like along the coast, right? For sunken ships and yeah, see if there's any sunken ships that we can explore today. And I'm going to go to that island over there. I'm just pretty much gonna circle around. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And hopefully we can find something. Ah! Okay, let's get off the safety zone. Safetyness, okay. I'm hoping I find something. I'm hoping that this wasn't a nice waste of time. Usually I can see it from my island, like this shit market, so we'll go out a little bit, not... Oh, what's that? The thing I like looked out of the corner of my eye. Please no shark. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Oh, you know what? Let's get it back up here. We just wanna have room for stuff. That's all. Alright, no sharks. Let's go again! I love the sound when you're underwater. Right. Ooh, goggles. What are those do? What's in here? Open a button? No. That seems to be it. Alright, let's get back up. Alright guys, so here's the thing. I messed up again. I know, I'm sorry. All the recording messed up, so this is me now just pretty much going along to the next island. I explain it in the next clip, as you will see, like what happened. I found a ship, I found some goggles and an air tank, and that's pretty much it. I got followed by sharks, but that always happens. That's pretty much it. What really happened in that. So sorry for that, guys, and enjoy the rest of the episode because it actually is really cool. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, well, welcome back. And the problem again with the recording. So pretty much what is actually happening is I'm pressing record like too many times. I'll record and then I'll watch record. That's actually me recording it. Okay, pretty much say I just hit record there and I'm talking even though I'm not recording, right? So, and then I press record thinking I'm gonna record and it doesn't. It records the wrong part. Like this part, if it wasn't like a part where I edit out, right? That's what's been happening. So, I got a little bit of footage, not much, that's what you'll see in the beginning of the video. But, I pretty much came here, I found a boat, gave me an oxygen tank, and goggles that disappeared from my inventory, or I just automatically just put them on. I do not know, but let's go to another island. I think I've actually, yeah, I've already, I'm trying to think. Oh no, I haven't explored this, like, the wreckage, so let's do that. First of all. And we'll see if we can, oh, you gotta be joking. Come on, don't do this. Alright, we're all friends here. Come on, why? Alright, where do we want to go is the question. Go over there. Screw off. Nobody likes you. You know that, right? What about? Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're so terrifying. Let's go. Feels like he's like right under me. I think he is. It's like I'm not like close anywhere. It's like... Leave me alone, please. Wait, tomorrow just goes, nah. Doesn't feel like I'm going anywhere. Alright. Let's go. On an adventure to the next one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I found something. Oh, there we go. Sharks around. I've never used this before. Is that what I do? Okay. Let's go in here first. Can I close the door? And this one, I'm like glitching in here. Like, it's so quiet in here. I love it. I love being out here. Alright, let's go back up. This is the problem. This is problem number one with this. Okay, I don't need this stuff. Why I have it, I don't know. Morphe. Is that a shark? I don't know. Here we go. Alright. Binoculars. Engine. Very interesting. How do I... Okay, I'm just gonna go up the surface. I don't know how it works, so I don't want to play with it. So that seems like that's it, I guess. Yep. Cool. Well, we found a lot of stuff. And binoculars. Let's zoom in. Okay. Very cool. Go on that island right there. And that's one where we're heading. Now, is this some like unlimited? Let's see. It'll probably last for. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have a gas out of the stuff that we need. I'm just gonna throw these out. Bye bye. Bye bye. Can I successfully go? Okay. Axe, hammer. We don't need these, right? We don't need it. Let's get them out of here. Let's bring these in more. Like this, if this is weighing us down. Is this seriously weighing us down? Nah, it can't be. I feel like I'm getting places slower though. I don't want to throw it out. I do have morphine at my other place. I don't want to. Dang it, man. Guys, I just want to get back to an island to like investigate this stuff. I'll get back to mine. Alright, well, let's go, I guess. Okay. Guys, being pursued by a shark. At the moment. Oh no. I don't feel like I'm going anywhere. I have to ditch this. I did not fall off. Come on, buddy. Let's tussle. Come on. You want to do this? You really want to play with me right now? Come on. Come on. I know you wanna. Let's tussle. Let's tussle. I don't want to tussle, but I think he's gonna keep circling me, so let's start playing. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Yep. Hold on. Go, 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 go. Is that how I just get closer? Guys, he's coming! Hold your ground. Hold your ground. Hold your ground. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I have a feeling he's like right behind me, guys. Yep, that was wrong. Go, 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 go. Those loading pictures. Oh, what's that? Let's go there. Let's go there. Oh no. It's a boat. I know it's a boat. Let's go here first. I feel like I can drop all this crap off and just go with it here. Come on. Come on. Might actually be mine. No, it's not, because this tree's almost in the clear. Oh, there's 2. 3? What's that over there? Look at that. When I look right there, it disappears. God, we hit the jackpot here. It's be a long episode. Alright. Long episode indeed. I think we're in the clear. We are in the clear. Sure. Let's be honest, guys. He was scared of us. Let's be honest with ourselves. Alright, engine. Big ol' piece. Lantern. Do not need at the moment. Binoculars also do not need. Knife also do not need at the moment. Alright, let's check this place out before we go. Guys, there's so many shipwrecks by this island. This is absolutely fantastic. Alright. 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 I am liking this very much. Let's explore this. I usually do that without a boat. Alright. I don't want duct tape. We've come to the point where I am not taking duct tape no more, okay? That's how we're gonna roll. But seriously think I've hit the jackpot. Let's just... What's that? Diver slave. What's that? What is it? Awesome. Okay, I can't even look at it. It's like messed up. It doesn't work. Cool, indeed cool. We'll keep that. I didn't know that we could find that kind of stuff on here. We're gonna come back to here. I'm just gonna leave that stuff here. We'll come back. Don't you worry. Just gonna go explore. Yeah, I feel like we're moving way faster than we were. Alright. I'm looking for a machete or another air tank, you know. Ah, help. Help. I think there's 2 in my inventory. Oh, they stack. Sweet. Alright, cool. I want to find my home base. But I don't know if I can. I don't know where it is. Is that it right there? Check my block list. It just looks... This looks like right there, and like when I was looking right here, like that. It seems like there's like a little foundation there. But it could be a rock. It could easily be a rock. Alright. Come on! Come on! No sharks, we good? I don't hear music. Alright. Fantastic. Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go, jackpot. Alright. Antibiotics. I already have a fuel tank. I don't want this. I do not want this. Alright. Coolidge. Very cool. Let's get up here before we die. How do I get out of here? Go all the way. All the way. Okay. Well. Go back to the island. Drop all the stuff off. Alright guys, it's getting night. So we're just gonna explore this last one. Is that a shark? I was gonna say unless that's a shark. Oh, it's just a little, whatever. One of those things, yeah. I feel like my spear is more superior in this condition. Is there air in it? There is. Cool. I don't think they're supposed to. Oh man. Engine. Bucket seat. Already have those. I need them. Sure, we'll take another one. Why not? Very scary. Down that arc, man. Do you even know how scary it is? Let's go with this. And we'll start a campfire, get some fish or whatever, grab whatever I'm feeling at the moment. Like, where's this thing at? I don't see it. I can't seem to find it. Whatever. Whatever, I'm just trying to get back. We go where our little lantern is, and good. Alright, fantastic. Cool. Very excited about what we just, like, had. We still got another boat. Right there. So you had a jackpot. Boat. A boat. Shipwreck jackpot. There we go. Lantern. Stick it on top of the tree or something. We actually stuck it on top of the tree, okay. Engine, binoculars. We got 2 antibiotics. Alright, flare gun. What does this do? It's for cooking. So I can boil now? Is that what you're saying? Oh, what? Am I puking? Oh, I think I just puked. Oh god, this is not good. Okay, I need something to eat, like, right now. Like, right now. I was gonna say, I can't hit it open. I think I just puked, guys. This was so weird. So every single time I seem to hit coconut, there's a cracking sound. Fantastic. I don't think we'll be making a fire. I like the machete. I like the machete. I like that find. That's what I've been looking for a long time. We will not die. We will not die. We will not die now. I think the only reason it says like these landers will last forever because this game's not done yet. I think that's the only reason. Really, they'll probably add batteries and stuff that you have to find. Because they simulate real life stuff. Sounds like I'm biting into an apple. Alright, fantastic. We are full. I've said that word lots of times. This episode. Yeah, we don't have time to make a fire. I think I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for all the messy upload, messy video, like all messed up and screwed up. Guys, really annoying. And then catch you more, and have a good one.